How's it going? Back with another video, this time on the cyber range. As you can see, it's almost at maximum capacity. So the maximum I think was like 990 members. So yeah, by the time I post this video, it's probably going to be past that. The monthly payment for that is currently $97 per month. Apparently it's going to be going up. So if you can get in there, be the last sort of two people in there, then you'll be able to lock in that price. Don't know what it's going to be once it goes past 990. It's proven to be very popular, and there's a lot of people actually getting jobs, like Simon. Let me load up here. So well, I got the job, junior cyber defense analyst, received offer today. That was 3 days ago. So a big shout out to Simon. He's very active in the cyber range, and he's actually credited the cyber range and the internship portion of it to his resume, and he immediately got 2 callbacks. So just shows you it does work joining the cyber range. So he's got a related degree, and also he's graduated from non-credited school about 20 plus years ago. He's got a few certs. He's not even got the security plus. So yeah, you can even get a job without security plus. A lot of people think you need that. It's a very good certificate. I'm probably going to be getting that at some point. Yeah, another thing is when you work your way through the cyber range and you're doing the various different courses, you can just post any problems you're having. This is a problem I had with using KQL on Microsoft Defender. I was getting an error message back. Well, I wasn't actually getting anything coming back. So a couple of the guys actually come back to me in the group, and everyone's been quite helpful. So yeah, big shout to Daniel, who sort of gave me some ideas. I was able to get things working. Mohammed as well, he sort of jumped on that. Plus Andrew, yeah. Thanks again, guys. I was able to sort of move forward with that problem I had. So yeah, there's quite a few people helping out in the cyber range. Yeah, another thing, once you complete the internship, you'll be presented by a certificate. There's another thing you can sort of add to your resume. So you've actually completed an internship and you've got experience, and this also looks quite good to potential employers. So yeah, I think it's very good. Yeah, there's a lot of new members I'm seeing joining every single day, and always giving a shout out to people. This is in the paid version, but you're still having people in the free version sort of giving shout outs, and they're doing like an introductory message. I did one a while back. So yeah, there's a lot of people who are coming in there who don't have any experience, and it's a good place to start. If you haven't got a clue what you're doing with cybersecurity, it's something where Josh makes it so easy for you to understand all the different concepts and all the different courses you're doing. They'll actually help you get a job eventually, because I'm seeing every week someone's sort of posting that they've managed to get a job. Yeah, you got people talking about the security plus practice questions, so they're sharing sort of resources to help you get better at that. Splunk framework as well, and also let's have a look. Yeah, resume reviews. People are sort of helping each other with that as well. So if you need anyone to give you a bit of feedback on your resume, it's a good place to be. This is just a quick rundown of some of the things that I'm seeing in the cyber range. So yeah, it's not just about doing the course, it's also the community as well, and the internship. So for now it's at $97 a month, very good value, but I don't know what it's going to be once it goes over 990. See where we're at, yeah, 988, man, that's getting closer. Yeah, so that's enough for me. I'm going to stop rambling now. I just want to sort of give you an update that it's almost full. If you can get in there, join it, but also join the free version anyway. And then Josh is going to be giving updates of ongoing courses and also the price as well. So I don't know what it's going to be, but yeah, I'm going to put a link in the description to this video. So once you get in there, just give me a shout if you do actually join it through me. Anyway, I will speak to you guys soon. Take it easy.